Hey, how's it going, my fellow potatoes, and welcome to another video, and welcome back to WTF Wednesday, which today we are going to play more of Cat Mario, and later today we will be playing Geometry Dash, but that's going to be like in a couple hours, so stay tuned for that, and let's get started. Come on. Again, that music. We have not completed level 1 yet, so that's kind of embarrassing. But today, I already died, man. And I haven't played before, and I'm already on 129 deaths. Oh no! Woo. Come on. No! Dang it! Alright. No. What the heck? Didn't even touch me. Alright. Okay. We go. Ooh. Yes. I knew there was a... The mushroom's not even worth getting, you know? But I still kind of want it. Oh my god. Why do I always do that? You know, screw the coins. Oh, get wrecked. Nice. Alright. Nice. Alright. Checkpoint. Alright. Alright, so I figured this out. You have to hit that. And then jump over there and do it again. And that cloud is evil. And then three, come right here! No! Dang it! Come on, we're just gonna try to speedrun this. Woo! Very nice. Alright, come on. Why? Oh my god. Come on. Oof. Why, man? God dang it. Oh my freaking frick. Alright guys, how has your day been? Huh? Okay, I don't really care. Nice, alright, come on. Oh my god. Was it just me, or did it lag right there? I feel like it lagged. Ah! Okay. Alright, nice. Oh! That was so close. Alright. We can do this, guys. You just gotta believe. Okay, and I'm pretty sure I've done this before. Woo! It's a trap! Did it do it? No! I'm fucking done with this game. Yeah, I'm still playing it. Where are you going? Oh my god. My freaking cousin distracted me. Oh my fucking god. Sorry for my language, but fuck. Son of a frick on a stick. Oh my. I'm seriously gonna have a freaking aneurysm. No, where are you here? My God. No, I'm not paying attention. No. Ooh. Okay. Oh no! What was that bullcrap? No, I'm trapped. Ah. Yeah, I have a feeling we're not gonna finish level 1. Son of a frick. Ooh. Yes. 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 Nice. I'm scared of you, Cloud. Don't hurt me.
Hey,
no!
what are you doing?
Why didn't I?
Baby.
Stop. Alright, nice. No, come on! Woo! Nice job, Buttface. See right there, here's Buttface. Come on, no, you wanna. Yes! Get tricked! No, 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 no! You killed yourself! No! Alright guys, I guess we're not finishing level 1 today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, rating, and subscribe to become a fellow potato today. And get ready for like in a couple hours, because I'm gonna upload Geometry Dash. So yay, another hernia. Wait, what? Alright, bye. I'm still recording. Oopsies, why does this always happen?